Looking for the best monitor calibration tool but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best monitor calibration tool based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Calibrite Photo Kit is a comprehensive workflow kit that combines camera profiling and monitor calibration. It includes the Display Pro HL High Luminance Monitor Calibration Colorimeter and the ColorChecker Passport Photo 2. With this kit, you can create a consistent capture-to-edit process that helps you reduce color guesswork and maintain reliable results across sessions, locations, and changing lighting. The Display Pro HL calibrates and profiles modern laptop and desktop displays, supporting Mini LED OLED and Apple XDR panels. It's the perfect tool for photographers who want to achieve accurate displays and maintain reliable results in their workflow. Number 4. Datacolor Spyder X Elite is a monitor calibration tool designed for expert and professional photographers and motion image makers. Its groundbreaking lens-based color engine provides a higher level of color accuracy for multiple monitors and projectors. It's intuitive and easy to use, with a step-by-step assistant and expert console that makes calibration a breeze. With the Spyder X Elite, you can calibrate your monitor to achieve color precision in just a minute or two, several times faster than previous models. It's the perfect tool for professionals who demand the highest level of color accuracy. Number 3. Datacolor Spyder is a monitor calibrator that's designed for graphic designers, photographers, and content creators. Its exclusive device preview beta feature simulates what your photos can look like on other devices on your own calibrated screen. The Spyder fully calibrates a wider range of laptop and desktop displays, including OLED and LED screens. It's fast and easy to use, taking about 90 seconds to ensure an accurate color starting point for viewing and editing. With the Datacolor Spyder, you can say goodbye to color surprises and hello to true colors on your screen. Number 2. Calibrite Display 123 is a monitor calibration colorimeter that's designed for photographers and creators who want accurate color viewing. Its compact body and adjustable counterweight make it easy to place on your screen. The Easy 123 software workflow guides you through calibration, making it fast and approachable. With the Calibrite Display 123, you can correct common monitor color shifts and deliver truer tones and more reliable contrast. It's perfect for photographers who want to edit with confidence and trust what they see on screen. Number 1. Datacolor Spyder X Pro is a groundbreaking monitor calibrator that ensures accurate color for photographic images. Its lens-based color engine provides a higher level of color accuracy for multiple monitors. It's ideal for first-time users who want a hassle-free calibration experience. The Spyder X Pro features room light monitoring, automatic profile changing, and significantly more precise screen color, shadow detail, and white balance. With its easy-to-use interface, you don't need to be a color expert to achieve accurate calibration. It's quick and easy, taking just a minute or two to calibrate your monitor. With the Spyder X Pro, you can trust what you see on screen and make confident edits. It's a must-have tool for photographers and creators who value color accuracy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.